Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on n8n step by step. First, log into your n8n dashboard and look at the bottom left corner of your screen. There, click the three dots next to your name, and from the drop down menu select settings. This will take you to your personal account settings. Now under the personal tab, look for the option labeled disable two-factor authentication. Click on it. Next, you will be asked to enter the two-factor authentication code from your authenticator app. If you no longer have access to the app, you can also use one of your recovery codes. In this example, I still have access to my authenticator app, so I'll enter the code. So once you enter the code, you can click save. Once you confirm, two-factor authentication will be successfully disabled in your account. And guys, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching Guide with Samuel today. I will see you in the next tutorial.